Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make finger puppets using Play-Doh. Let's mold Cookie Monster, Ernie, and Elmo. We got the shapes for Ernie, Cookie Monster, and Elmo, so we can make finger puppets. Let's make a finger puppet of Ernie using an entire can of dough. Just wrap the dough around your finger. And press it firmly. Just remove the excess dough. And just like that, we have our own Play-Doh finger puppet. Let's make a Cookie Monster. And there it is, our Cookie Monster finger puppet. Now we're gonna make Elmo. And the good thing about Play-Doh is that you can mold the characters with different colors. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Sesame Street right here on Disney Collector.